Do you want to sound natural and confident when you greet someone on New Year's Day? In this video, you'll hear a real English New Year conversation and learn exactly how native speakers talk in real life. And don't skip the ending. I'll share powerful vocabulary and phrases you can start using today. If this helps you, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more English lessons. Hey Daniel, Happy New Year! It feels amazing to finally step into a brand new year.
Happy New Year, Emily. A fresh start always feels exciting. How did you celebrate New Year's Eve?
It was wonderful. I celebrated with my family at home. We had a nice dinner, watched fireworks on TV, and counted down together at midnight. It felt really cozy and special. How about you?
That sounds lovely. I went to a small gathering with some close friends. We listened to music, talked, laughed a lot, and watched the fireworks outside. When the clock hit midnight, everyone shouted, "Happy New Year," and hugged each other.
Oh, that sounds fun. Did anyone make loud fireworks in your neighborhood?
Oh, absolutely. The sky was full of bright colors. It almost felt magical. And of course, people were shouting, singing, and celebrating everywhere.
I love that feeling. So, how does the new year make you feel? Excited? Hopeful? Nervous?
Honestly, I feel excited and hopeful. A new year feels like turning a new page in a book. It's like life gives us another chance to do better, to grow, and to try again.
I completely agree. The new year always gives me motivation. I feel inspired to improve different areas of my life and become a better person.
Speaking of improvement, what are you most looking forward to this year?
I'm looking forward to more happiness, more peace, and more good moments with the people I love. I want to create good memories this year. What about you?
For me, I really want this year to be a year of positivity. I want to surround myself with good people, think positively, and appreciate the little things in life.
That's beautiful. I think many people forget to appreciate small things. A nice conversation, a quiet evening, or a simple meal with family.
Exactly. Sometimes happiness isn't in big things. It's in everyday moments.
By the way, how do people usually celebrate New Year in your family? Do you have any traditions?
Yes! In my family, we always eat together on New Year's Eve. We also take a few minutes to talk about what we're thankful for. Then, just before midnight, we count down together. How about your family?
My family loves to do something similar. We prepare special food, talk about the past year, and share wishes for the new one. Then we hug and wish each other blessings, health, and happiness.
Speaking of wishes, how do you like to greet people for New Year?
I usually say something like, Happy New Year. I hope this year brings you joy, success, and good health. What about you?
I like saying Happy New Year. May this year be filled with happiness, peace, and wonderful moments. I think warm wishes make people feel loved and appreciated.
That's true. Words have power. A simple greeting can make someone smile and feel encouraged.
Absolutely. Do you usually message your friends and relatives too?
Yes, I send messages, voice notes, and sometimes even call people. It feels nice to reconnect and remind them that they are important to me.
Same here. The new year is a great time to reconnect with people we haven't spoken to in a while.
So how do you feel now that the celebrations are over and the year has officially started?
I feel calm but excited. It's like standing at the beginning of a long journey, not knowing what will happen, but hoping for the best.
That's a beautiful way to say it. I think the new year is a mix of hope, excitement, and curiosity.
Definitely. And no matter what happens, I hope this year is kind to everyone.
Me too. I hope this year brings more smiles, less stress, more love, and more peace for everyone.
Well said. So Emily, one last time, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Daniel. Let's make it a great one. Before we finish, let's review some useful vocabulary and phrases from today's conversation.
Fresh start. Fresh start means beginning something again with new energy or hope. Example: a new year feels like a fresh start for many people. Celebrate. Celebrate means to enjoy a special event with happiness, fun, and activities. Example: we celebrate New Year's Eve with food, music, and fireworks. Countdown. Countdown is when people count backwards to mark the start of something important. Example: we did the countdown and shouted when the clock hit midnight. Turn a new page. Turn a new page means to start a new part of your life and leave the past behind. Example: a new year feels like turning a new page in life. Motivation. Motivation means the feeling that makes you want to do better or achieve something. Example: the new year gives me motivation to improve myself. Look forward to. Look forward to means to feel happy and excited about something that will happen in the future. Example: I look forward to spending more time with my family this year.
Appreciate. Appreciate means to be thankful for something or someone. Example: I really appreciate the people who support me. Warm wishes. Warm wishes is a friendly phrase that means kind and heartfelt good thoughts for someone. Example: we always send warm wishes to our relatives on New Year's Day. Blessings. Blessings means good things in life like health, family, love, and happiness. Example: we hugged each other and wished many blessings for the new year. Reconnect. Reconnect means to contact someone again after not talking for a while. Example: New Year is a great time to reconnect with old friends. A mix of hope and excitement. A mix of hope and excitement is a common expression used to describe feeling positive, optimistic, and happy about the future. Example: starting a new year feels like a mix of hope and excitement. Make it a great one. Make it a great one is an encouraging expression that means to do your best to make the year positive, joyful, and successful. Example: let's make it a great one this year. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!